It was a decision that was taken to prevent any untoward incident from occurring. At least that's what the Delhi police claims. But Anna's arrest on the 16th of August has become the latest thorn in the UPA's foot. From some Congress leaders to UPA's main allies, everyone seems to agree on one thing, that the arrest of Anna Hazare was a mistake.
This move to arrest Anna and the manner in which his release was decided has done enough damage for the government. Enough for the allies to murmur their discontent.
On all these major issues, all the constituents of UPA must sit together and discuss the issues so that these kinds of errors are not made. UPA must function as UPA.
Even though the DMK has not commented on record, sources close to the UPA ally have told us that they're very disappointed with Anna Hazare's arrest and the further mismanagement by the Congress.
While some allies are backing the government's moves. What makes it even more uncomfortable for the UPA is that the biggest party, the Congress, doesn't seem to be on the same page as the government.
I think the Delhi police completely went wrong on this. If they had certain apprehensions in terms of the size of the park and others, I think these could have been negotiated more in greater detail.
As best as what the government may try to justify what it did.
When you get inputs, when people give their opinion, the government is resilient on certain issues, and then the Home Minister said that he had taken a political decision and told the public.
But it's quite clear that it's not just the public support on the streets, but even in the corridors of power, the voice of dissent are now resonating. Bureau Report, Times Now.